Welcome to our video, and in this video we are talking about arrays. Arrays are resizable. What do I mean by that statement? And can be contained containing mix of different data types. So array can contain mix of different data types. The value or the meaning of this statement is that if you create an array, suppose I have created an array, then I can store a string value, a number, a boolean, or any other data types of my choice. So it can contain a mix of different data types. JavaScript allows array to be resizable. Arrays are not associative and cannot be accessed through arbitrary string values. For example, if you want to access an array with index 1, it will be same as accessing index with the respective string form. So array 1 of index 1 and array of index string 1 will yield an output same. The output of these two statements is exactly same. Third point to be remember in array is that it must be a non-negative integer or their respective string form, which we have seen here. So it cannot be a non-negative integer. It must not be a non-negative integer. So we cannot append a negative sign while accessing elements from array, or a negative sign accessing values from array using string. So it will give us a result of undefined. Let's look at an example. And we need to remember some points that indexing always starts from 0 in JavaScript. The first index is marked as 0 and the next is 1, 2, 3 and so on up until length -1. So we have created an array using the const keyword and we have inserted some elements. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I start counting the elements, then it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 0 to 4, which is 5 elements in the array. If I console log this out and the array 0, which is string value, is same as the array number value. So both will give us the same output. You can see on the console we are getting 1. So index 0 is containing element 1, so we are getting 1 in the both outputs. So if I try to console log out 2 and 2, -2, then this 2 is the string value, so it will give the element at index 2, which is 3. So we are getting 3. But if we look at the negative index which we have provided, that will give us a result of undefined, which I have stated earlier in this part. So this will give us an undefined result. So try avoiding this in JavaScript if you don't want to get a result of undefined and you don't want to land in trouble. So second part is minus without, this was for string and this was for integer. So negative integers is not allowed and it will yield a result of undefined. So we are getting result undefined. And if you look at string 3, then we are getting 4. If I look at minus of string 3, then it will give us a result of undefined. So this was for array. In the next video we'll look at more about arrays, so stay tuned and watch more.